Hi people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Cynthia. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing the face packed Niacinamide Serum. I'm done with the first bottle. I'm currently on the second bottle and it's about to get finished. Now this is a 30 ml bottle. I've been using this product for the past 4 months and I'm still on the second bottle. So let's say a bottle should be able to last you for 2 months or less, depending on how you use it. I don't use this in the morning. I use my niacinamide serums only at night. Now, please, niacinamide is an antioxidant, and you can only get the best out of your antioxidant serums when you use them in the morning. Okay, but the reason I don't use mine in the morning is because, and currently I am not yet up. I've not yet being that consistent with sunscreen reapplication, and I do not want anything that is going to get my skin tanned or darker in any way. No, because of what I suffered with alpha arbutin. I'm going to leave a picture of what alpha arbutin did to my face. I'll still do a detailed video on how alpha arbutin got me darker instead of brightening my skin. So it made me remove every form of actives from my morning routine until I build my sunscreen game, until it is very consistent and straightforward. Okay. Now, we know what niacinamide does. Niacinamide helps to improve radiance. Now, radiance simply means that it is going to help brighten your skin. It is going to help boost collagen production. It is going to help with your skin barrier. It is going to help boost hydration. It is going to help with your wrinkles, fine lines, uneven skin texture, uneven skin tone. Niacinamide is great. It is going to help control oil. Now, anybody can use niacinamide, but I feel that if you have an oily acne prone skin, you are going to benefit more from niacinamide. According to the ingredient list, it contains arginine, it contains sodium hyaluronate, I think it contains betaine, it contains aqua, of course, then the niacinamide, which is the major ingredient. It also contains fragrance and a whole lot of other ingredients. I'm going to leave the ingredient list on the screen. Now, from this ingredient list, they all have one thing in common, which is what? Hydration. Now, sodium hyaluronate is a form of hyaluronic acid, but it comes in a smaller molecular size, which is going to help boost a more deeper penetration. It is going to encourage a deeper penetration. Now, this niacinamide serum is very, very lightweight. When I say lightweight, hope you guys are saying this. It is super. I'm going to apply this on my face. I just finished using my toner, so let me just use the niacinamide. Now, I said that I don't use niacinamide in the morning. I'm just using it now because I want to demonstrate something. Now, see. It is super, it's just like water. It is not sticky, it is non-greasy, it is just like water. Okay, so it is going to help boost hydration. It is going to help with your skin barrier. Now, another ingredient in it again is betaine. Now, betaine is a humectant that helps retain moisture in the skin. That is again hydration. Another ingredient in this again is arginine. Now, arginine is an amino acid. Okay, it is a protein. Now, this arginine helps to build collagen in the skin. It helps with redness. It helps with wrinkles and fine lines. It retains moisture in the skin. I have a detailed video on everything you need to know about niacinamide, how niacinamide actually works on the skin. So now, niacinamide on its own is that ingredient that helps to fight environmental hazards, environmental aggressors. Okay, it helps to it defends your skin. That is the word. It defends your skin from the environmental hazards, aggressors. Now, it also contains glycerin. Glycerin is a good humectant. So this product, it is going to be suitable for all skin types. Because I say that oily skin is going to benefit more does not mean that dry skin, normal skin combinations cannot use it. Anybody can use niacinamide. Niacinamide is even a better option if your skin reacts to vitamin C. Now, this product contains fragrance. It is boldly written on the ingredient list. It contains fragrance. And so if your skin reacts to fragrance, if you have a compromised skin barrier, this might not be that product for you. Yes, even though niacinamide generally helps with skin barrier, but for the fact that it contains fragrance, your skin might reject this. Now, it is a super affordable, beginner friendly niacinamide serum you can ever get. I got this for 6,500 naira. And I even learned that this is a new launch from the Face Facts brand. For the concentration of niacinamide here, it was not clearly written anywhere, but I want to believe it's not more than 10%. Okay, yeah, I want to believe it's not more than 10%. Other brands of niacinamide serums I've used all clearly wrote the percentages on the packaging of their products, but it is not anywhere here. It is not anywhere here. So I want to believe it's not more than 10% because this is quite gentle on the very, very gentle on the skin. So now mind you that sometimes niacinamide, even though we already know it as niacinamide serum, but in some products you might see in the ingredient list, you might see niacin, you might see nicotinic acid, you might see nicotinamide. They all mean niacinamide. They are all talking about vitamin B3. Okay, so even if you are not getting a niacinamide serum, but you have a product that contains niacin, nicotinamide, nicotinic acid, just know that it is niacinamide. So now, niacinamide is water soluble, which simply means that it can easily dissolve in water. And I even think that is one of the reasons it is advised that you use your niacinamide serum on a damp skin so that it can easily dissolve and penetrate into your skin. So the ingredient list, the formulation is just wonderful. Okay, so am I going to be getting this product again? Absolutely, absolutely. Even though I've used a 15% niacinamide before, maybe me using another brand of niacinamide serum is going to be me using a higher percentage because I've used 15% concentration before. And me going down to this, I just used it because I want to try it. I want to come and talk about it. All right, I've used this product. Let me know your experience with it. Is it something you would want to buy again? Did your skin react badly? Just let me know your experiences with it in the comment section and I'm going to read from you. All right. See you in my next video. Bye.